Alright, what's happening? You know what time it is. Keenan just felt like cooking, and yes, this is the first ever for 2022 SNAK-A-GIZ. Let's get to it. Alright, so this is what I'm doing. I got these leftover Blackeye Peas. Yes, from New Year's, New Year's tradition. And I'm gonna make me some Blackeye Pea empanadas. Got some empanada shells right there, and then I'm gonna be putting some of this Cheddar-Gruyere cheese. Look like it's from Finland, so we know it's gonna be good because they know what's up with food. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put these together, get them in the oven. Yeah, you know what time it is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shred this cheese up because I want to get a nice even melt. I don't want like no big lump of cheese in there, and see how many of these I can get to pull apart. Hopefully I can get 8 out of the 10. We're gonna see. And I'll let this sit out to come to, bring a little temp to it, so it wouldn't be so ice cold. Definitely wanted to let it sit overnight and let it get nice and stiff so it'll sit nicely inside the empanadas. So I'm gonna grate this cheese. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna fill them up. Then we're gonna get them in the oven. We're gonna be back with a bite. So that timing, that timing was way off. I checked them at 15 minutes. They was nowhere near done. So it took close to about 30 minutes to cook these bad boys. But they are definitely done. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Yeah, we gotta get a bite of that. Okay. These bad boys smell good. I mean, be sure to check out that video. My Blackeye Peas, like the third version of my grandma's recipe. The cheese brought an extra note to the already seasoned beans, so man, this is good. This is real good. It's not completely vegan or vegetarian because I use pork belly. But hey, it's your boy first SNAK-A-GIZ for 2022. Appreciate everybody checking me out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your boy's videos. Y'all take care. Let's get ready for a good year. One.